Rod Kusin Spoon for risk on September 30th. Just have to draw your attention to this rather obvious pullback. We have a real low naked bar on the premium at 2153.75 that occurred this morning at 939.40, and we're looking at pardon me, a retracement back to that price. We're going to hit, of course, 2160 was that nice low bar there, and that's also a naked bar. So we're looking to take some profits at 2160 off of the short that we're taking now. Now we may have to revise that and soon we go back up and wait until this afternoon around 1 o'clock before it begins to really drop. Sometimes that's a good time. But in any case, we're looking at a retracement. So we're short at the moment, and we'll of course revise that. This is a nice 10-point short right from where we are right now. So this is a very significant pullback that we anticipate. So we'll let you know as things proceed through the course of the day. So we'll come back and revisit this. Well, the market continued to rally beyond where we thought it would at around 1 o'clock, and didn't really make a lot of progress beyond that, but 3 points thereabouts. So if this is going to be coming down, which I think would be pretty unlikely now, since it has not done so already, just a trailing stop at this point is about as best as we can expect, but there's definitely a footprint here calling for a much more significant drop come Monday. So we'll see how things shape up here when it drops down to about 65, and so right in this range in here. We'll see if we continue to get a drop in the premium. Now, if we do, then we will go back down here to that 60 level and see if it continues. But right now, the probability is pretty small because the pattern just hasn't shaped up for a drop. What we would normally see is a retracement down to that level called for by the premium, and then a rally back up in the last hour or so. However, that pattern has not emerged, and as a result, we kind of have to question whether that pattern will, in fact, emerge today. We'll give it a little bit more time, but we've gone ahead and shorted it with a couple of contracts, nothing big, as it just doesn't look like this is going to emerge. Now you notice by this very pronounced drop in the premium here, and we've got a couple of premium indicators that are showing up on the screen at the moment. Don't let that confuse you. The point of the matter is that we've had a very significant drop in the premium here. So I would suspect that we'll not only get down to the, we'll drop below 65. This is at 65.50. I think that's pretty much all she wrote for the rally. So we should begin to see a more precipitous drop to follow here. So we'll see it drop back down to 65. See how the premiums are dropping off. Let me get rid of one of these indicators here, just a single that. Just watch the premium. I took it right down to 65. Now we're gonna have a little bit of resistance in here. Particularly at 64.25, I would suspect. Which is a good point below where we are. We'll just pause this until we see a little bit more of a response. Okay, well, here it comes. She's dropping really fast. Way more quickly than I expected. $63 is a bit of a point of control, and it's come down right to 63. But the premium is still pretty low, so it may drop below that. Let's see if it makes it. Yep. Continuing to come down. Oh, yeah. We had to wait all day for this. Now, we don't have much left on the premium, but 2160 is a bit of a target. So, I mean, you could, even taking profits right in here and just calling it a day isn't such a bad move. I mean, there was a nice drop from the area around 67.50. It's nice profits. But really, the premium suggested 2160 was a pretty solid target. So it shouldn't take too much to get us down there. That's the value of having that premium information to see where the market is really headed. So we'll come back in a couple of minutes and see if that's how it finally shapes up. Now we could get a nice reversal of the premium right here. You see that great big spike up? Now watch for the chance that this is going to go, the premium is going to do just the opposite here within a minute or so. No, continue to go up. Even higher. Well, because oftentimes we'll see a reversal where the premium shoots up and then turns right around, comes right back down. Right back down. Now this was the close, all right? We've got the close in here, and we're continuing to see in the after hours market. Let's go ahead and just change the data feed here, and let's continue to watch because we just hit 60. $59.75. So there was that 60 mark that was predicted by the premium. We exceeded that. And as we mentioned, 53 75 was predicted by the premium as well. But we're really getting this nice profit taking on this rally. Now, if we manage to get through 58.50, then look for the market to continue to drop. And the low so far there was 59.25. That's VWAP. I think I will just trail the stop. At 60.75 at the moment. So most likely going to get stopped out here, but this could do. If it gets past the VWAP, yeah. Well, we got stopped out, but that's okay. That was a nice move. It could continue to drop. We still have a little time. Okay, that seems to be about all she wrote, so we're going to leave it go at that. Didn't quite make it down below that 60 level as much as we expected, but it came right down to the VWAP at 59.25, which that was somewhat predictable. In any case, look for a little bit further drop on Monday. RSKsys Intl for risk.